What's up, Diamond Nation? It's your girl Flawless Britny here, back with another video. So today I'm going to be using this Klaiyi hair. I will link all of the information in the description box down below. I actually just used this hair from the last video where I did the ponytail. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But this is basically the same hair. So I'm just going to first start off by detangling my hair. And those little pieces on the side, I wanted them to hang out, so I flat ironed those, which is why they look like a different texture, but it's really just straightened, it's stretched out or whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with some gorilla snot, and I'm gonna use that to put my hair into a ponytail basically. And this stuff is so gooey in texture. If you've never used it before, it's so gooey and sticky like glue or something. If you don't get this thing right, you'll see me leaving tonight, 'cause you've been saying no, when it's really yeah. But I'm using a hard bristle brush to smooth my hair up, and my daughter decided to come photo bomb my video, but I shut that down real fast. But anyway, yeah, just smooth your hair up into a ponytail and then secure with like a rubber band or like a elastic band, whatever you have. How much you thinking about me, and when can you see me? All of a sudden you trying to be sweet, but you looking phony. Well, if you keep acting this way, you gon' lose my love all day. I ain't got no time to play. They all keep coming my way. I be trying to be all on you, but I don't see the point no more. If you don't get this thing right, you'll see me leaving tonight, 'cause you been saying no, when it's really yeah. You been saying no, when it's really yeah. So now I'm going to take the bundle and I'm just going to wrap it around my ponytail like normal. I'm just using a little piece at first to secure the base instead of using a bobby pin, because the bobby pins are more painful. And I'm just going to wrap it around like so, and then end it off with another section, small section to wrap around. I'm going to brush it out some, and then I'm going to take an elastic band and put it on the base and like halfway through the ponytail. And this is just going to create that messy bun look. Now you can make yours look however you want it to look. I kind of just wanted mine to look messy but cute. You know how you try to get that messy, perfect, but not so perfect, cute bun. That's what I was going for. And I was just using the bobby pins to secure the hair in place where I wanted it to stay. So yeah, do yours how you want it to look. Okay, so now I'm going to flat iron, then cut the faux bangs. This is how I achieve the look. I honestly am not that good at cutting my own bangs. Like, I can do someone else's, but my own bangs is way harder to do. But like, on top of that, I was using regular scissors, so it was harder, so just bear with me. At first, I was going for like that 2 hanging pieces down on the side look, but I didn't like how it came out, so I ended up cutting those pieces off. So that's pretty much the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Like this video, share, and comment. Let me know what you think. I love you, Diamond Nation.